Have you ever considered whether you should recruit one more salesperson or go for Google Ads? In my opinion, go for Google Ads. It will act as your online salesperson. I'm Kirit Jasani. I help businesses sell online and generate leads using social media marketing. So far, we have generated more than 1,70,000 leads and sold multi-million rupees merchandise for various product categories. My journey in advertising started 18 years ago as junior client servicing executive. Today, as founder of Crowd Multiplier, I help and train business owners how to use social media for marketing. Now coming back to today's point, whether we should recruit a salesperson or use Google Ads. Why I'm saying you should go for Google Ads? Because there are 5 good reasons for that. Let's explore each of them one by one. Reason number 1. Your salesperson need to do cold calling. He would not be having any idea who the hell is looking for your product or services today in this particular city. But your Google Ads will appear right in front of those people who are searching for your product category or services. That means you are taking your brand in front of those people who are having high intention of buying. So which is much better than cold calling. That's why you should use Google Ads. Reason number 2. You might be saying we are already having sales team, then why we should use Google Ads? Well, in that case, Google Ads will help you generate more leads. You can supply those leads to your existing team and your salespeople will have more focus on conversion rather than generating inquiries. So that way also Google Ads will help. Number 3. Let's accept this fact, your sales team cannot reach everywhere, but Google Ads can. And the advantage over here is Google Ads don't require any kind of traveling allowance for that, right? Actually, Google Ads enhances your bandwidth. Reason number 4. When you are recruiting a new salesperson, you need to invest a lot of time, energy and money in things like training, computer, internet connection, stationery, mobile phone. But all these things are not required for Google Ads. Google Ads comes with a tag of ads. That means you will pay when somebody clicks on your ad. Yes, even if somebody is searching, your ad is appearing in results, you will not pay for that till the time he is not clicking on your ad. So that is again very good reason to go for Google Ad. Reason number 5. When you are recruiting somebody, he would be already doing his job in some organization where he need to serve the notice period. This notice period can be of 30 days, 60 days, 90 days depending on his designation. In many cases it happens at the end of that particular notice period, the candidate says, I am not joining your organization for XYZ reasons. In that scenario, you would be late implementing your marketing plan at least by 30 days. In such scenario, Google Ads are very handy. You place an ad, once it is approved, immediately you start seeing traffic on your website. So these are the 5 reasons for which you should start considering Google Ads. Whether you are a one-man show, you are having a small size team, or you are a large size corporation, consider Google Ads in marketing. It will definitely bring a lot of traffic to your website. It will generate leads. It will bring more calls. It will generate more inquiries. So Google Ads will really help. Now you might be thinking everything is okay, but I don't know how to implement. In that scenario, you can approach any social media agency who is having services of Google Ads. You can also approach us. Me and my team would be more than happy to help you on that front. And share this video with somebody who needs Google Ad. Do consider following me on Instagram and subscribing Crowd Multiplier YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in next video with some interesting topic like this.